YouTube, so we have our shocks. Have the front here. Oh, I think those are the rear and those are the fronts. So we have the rear and the front. I'm gonna go ahead and open the boxes and let you guys see how they look. All right, YouTube, so these are the springs. That's the rear shocks, front shocks, and front spring. So I went with Strange because I actually like their products. So I actually have the studs and I have the axles in there. But yeah, I went ahead and went with Strange. These are double adjustable, as you can see. As you can see from the two knobs here and there. Double adjustable. These are 12-inch springs. These are 10-inch springs. So what we're gonna do is gonna go ahead and get started assembling these. I also have some anti-seize to go ahead and put on there. That's what the instructions call for on the instructions here. Tells you to apply an anti-seize lubricant to the spring seat jam nut thread. But I also have the bearings to make it easier for it to turn. So I'm going to go ahead and start assembling those and get them in the car. YouTube, so as you can see, we got them put together. I also have the back put together also. So now we're just going to install them in the car. So I got to first start off by taking the front wheels off. I'm going to install the two front ones and then I'll go to the rear. so we have it in there. It was a little bit hard to get that one in because I guess when I had the mock-up brackets, it moved this side in more, but the bottom was fairly easy. So what I'm gonna do now is just put the wheel back on, and then I'm gonna go ahead. I'm not gonna show the other side. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then I'll turn the video back on once I get the whole front sitting down. All right, YouTube. So far, this is how much the front is sitting down on both sides. So what we're gonna do is, I still have the back jacked up, so I still have to put the back on. So I'm gonna turn you guys back on once I get the back on. This was without adjustment also, so I haven't put any pressure on the springs at all yet, as far as bringing up the coilovers, but we'll see how the back look once I get it all together. Alright YouTube, so here's the finished product. Got them both in there. I need to get some coilover wrenches so I can adjust it a little bit better. But we have them both in.